What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I know you could tell basketball season is coming. I think on one of my other videos I had on the Laker joint too, man. I'm hyped. But anyway, I'm also hyped about today's review, the Nike Dunk Low Polar Blue. Yes, sir. Now, ever since the Pandas pop, Nike's been trying to get together the 1-2 colorway to make something else pop. They got the red Pandas coming out. I passed on them because y'all know I got like 4 pairs of Pandas already. I'm not trying to do another colorway. But they know I got a special part of my heart in like this kind of blue. This blue here, Polar Blue, looks like UNC with just like an extra coat of like a light purple, and you land somewhere here. I really like this colorway. It's clean. My pair had no glue stains. I've been talking a lot. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So if you've been rocking with the channel, y'all know I'm usually a SB dude. Besides the Pandas, this is probably one of the only regular Nike Dunks I own. This is the Jackie Robb joint, and you know I had to have these. But I feel like these Polar Blues could hold their own, man. It's definitely a dope colorway, and it's not that easily to match. But I really like them, man. And let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So unfortunately, the Nike Dunk Polar Blue is not an SB. So you're going to get this dark red or light orange box, which I like. It's nostalgia, it's history. I like the box. A lot of people like the SB box. They wish they get those, but I like this box, man. It reads Nike Dunk Low Retro Polar White. That's the colors, guys. When you flip open the lid, you get some kind of quality control stamp right here on the side. That's a newie to me. I haven't never seen that right there. I got these from Sneakers and Stuff. I actually won the raffle. What's crazy is that I put the raffle in 2 months ago, and I wasn't sure what the release date of these, but I guess they released the 13th or the 14th because that's the day I won. And here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Low Polar Blue. This color is nice, guys. So get an up close, as I told you guys. Not a glue stain for me. Not a stitching problem. The leather is not premium, but this leather is good, guys. Good leather. Good to great leather, I would add. Very stiff leather. The toe box does have some bounce back, but it is stiff, good leather, guys. Good leather, just like the Pandas. So the swoosh is that nice Polar Blue sandwiched with that white. It looks just like a Panda, guys. Wherever the black is in the Panda, you can insert the Polar Blue. Where the white is, remains the white. I like this sandwich look. I love this bottom, man. The back, of course, OG Nike, OG Dunk logo. One of my favorite logos. I really like that logo. The bottom, if you've seen one Nike Dunk Low or Jordan 1 Low or High, they all look this way. This one just has that nice Polar Blue colorway. Boom. The inside also has the Polar Blue colorway. Nike logo. White shoelaces. You don't get any other shoelaces, just the white ones, but they do have the Polar Blue tips. This is something to keep an eye on. They do have the polar blue tips, guys. So I like that look. I like that look, guys. On the tongue, Nike logo's also in that nice polar blue. So they polar blue on us out, and I really like that, man. With the pandas, I mean, it was a black and white, so we got what we got. But with this polar blue, you do get more options. That was the left. This here is the right. Same thing. Look close. I do got a few glue stains here. As you can see, looks like it would just wipe off, no problem. But yeah, that is a glue stain that I did see, guys. But that's it, basically. Like, not A1, but not bad quality, man. Right shoe's a little more beat up than the left shoe, but same sexy, beautiful blue. Yes, sir. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel about the polar blue joints. I got a Nike S. I'm going to just tell y'all. I'm going to give y'all the full in-depth 4K review on the Nike SB Born and Raised joints. And I think since that drop, it should be no blue dunks dropping in a while. SB regular. That sneaker, wait till I get to that review. That sneaker, guys, maybe sneaker of the year. But far as dunks, this is a nice clean shoe, man. I think I seen resale for about $110, $112. So under retail or right there. So if you want this sneaker, it's not gonna hurt the pockets. That's always a great thing that I love about dunks, man. It doesn't hurt the pockets, man. I really love that for people to get what they want for a nice, good price. But far as quality, like I told you, my left shoe was a little odd. My right shoe was clean. That's going to happen with dunks, especially with the mass producing. There's something you got to deal with a $100 price tag. But this colorway is very unique. I really, really like it, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.